Hello. In this training video, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding customers manually to your ReliaBills account. We do have the option of importing customers in bulk. Those are available in a separate video. In this one, I'll just walk you through doing customers one by one. There are two ways to get to the Customers tab. One is from the top navigation, and the other is we've got a quick link right here for you. Click the quick link in this case. This will list all of your existing customers, name, address, and so forth. Also very important, it'll show if there's any other past due invoices. It's something you always want to know about your customers. In this case, since we're creating a new customer, we're going to click the Create New Customer button. From here, there are really only three things that are required: first name, last name, and email. Once you've got this, you can go ahead and hit Create Customer, but here's where you could also add company name. You could add your account name, phone numbers. If you have additional emails you want to include, you can enter them here. Make sure they're separated only by a comma, not a space. If you do add additional emails here, what will happen is when you go to send invoice emails to the customer, those other addresses will also get those emails as if they were CC'd on the email list. This is where you can also put in your mail preference. This is very important if you've got customers who simply do not want to get email. If they prefer a paper invoice, that's fine. ReliaBills will print, fold, insert, and mail your invoices for you. This is where also you can identify customers as tax exempt. You can also identify a collection status for customers. This is also very important. If you've got a customer, probably your best customer, they always pay late, but you just don't want them to get any payment reminders because you'll know eventually you'll get paid and you're okay with that. Well, if that's the case, then go ahead and select No for collections, in which case this customer will still get the initial invoice emails, but they will not receive any automated payment reminders. Once you've got this set up the way you want, let's go ahead and click Create Customers. Next step would be billing and shipping address. This is where you can enter all their billing information. This is critical. If you were to set your customer as a postal customer, then these fields would be required. And this is where you can also have the shipping address same or different. It's up to you. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just enter in some billing information. All right, once you've got your information entered, let's submit. Now let's go into payment information. Now in this particular account, this is a plus account. So this is a ReliaBills account who's activated their merchant processing and online payments. So because they're an active account, this information gets populated where you can add credit card, you can add ACH information if you want, enter all their information, and if you do have the customer's permission for autopay, you can go ahead and change them to autopay. That way their invoices get paid automatically on the due dates. The last thing we have here is custom fields. If there are components of your business where you want to keep track of within a customer record, so in this case, I've set up customer fields for sales rep, operating system, date of birth. We have two types of custom fields, and we do have a video that explains how custom fields work. But basically, these are called select fields, which means I've identified the field as sales rep. I've pre-populated the field with certain individuals in this case. I'm going to pick a sales rep. I've pre-populated with operating system. However, date of birth, we set this up as an open field. Done. Let's go ahead and hit save. You can now go and add a new customer, or let's go to the customer's profile. So now we've added all the details of the customer. Let's go to the customer profile, and here we can see their payment history, their balances, their past due information. Here's all the data that we had loaded. If you need to edit it, it's very simple. If you've got kind of a welcome email set up, something that explains how your program works, how your billing works, or maybe you just want to welcome the customer as a new customer, you can click Send Welcome Email. This will automatically send the welcome email template that you had previously created in the Communication Manager. So my suggestion is, as you're doing a self-tour, go to the Communication Manager and take a look at some of the information in there. We also do have videos about how the Communication Manager works. From here, you can also create a new invoice, accept a payment. So all kinds of things you do from here, but this is where you're going to see all the information you need about every one of your customers. Well, I hope this helps. Any questions at all, please contact us at support@reliabills.com. Thank you.